going to be having some field events coming up as well. And then the senior women will be taking to the track for the 1500 final in a matter of moments. 3 competitors we had listed, and I'm seeing 3 out there. Adelle Tracey, the defending champion and the national senior representative. Jodian Walker, unattached. And Anastasia Blackwood from Sydney Pagan is out there as well. In fact, we're seeing 4 now. Competitor from Wolmer's is there who was not originally listed. So it's going to be 4 competitors contesting. The Wolmerian is Anita Gutsmore, who was the lone competitor listed for the under 20 girls 1500. So she is running alongside the seniors.
Yeah, Adelle Tracey on screen, 2:01, a finalist at the World Championship. NACAC silver, also has a bronze medal from the NACAC Championships. She 3:58.77, a national record set back in that fantastic 2023 year, where she did well at 800 and 1500 meters. A big performance from her then. Competed for Great Britain up until June 2022. So she is twice a national champion over this event, but more importantly, the national record holder. She'll be joined there. Yeah, Jodian Walker is there as well. Anastasia Blackwood, Sydney Pagan, medalist at champs this year. So the youngsters will get an opportunity to test their mettle against the national record holder. So far this season, Adelle Tracey 4:07.32 at her best this year.
So sent about their business for the women's 1500 meter final. Adelle Tracey always runs with a smile, always looks happy. She's enjoying what she's doing. And she's up there on the front end at the moment alongside Anastasia Blackwood from Sydney Pagan, the silver medalist in Class 1 at champs this year. Jodian Walker is in here as well. So too Anita Gutsmore from Wolmer's Girls.
Yeah, this year Spencer Tracey has been competitive, has competed over 800 meters, 15, 3000. And the surprise year, 2023, when ran 1:58.41 at 800 meters, discovered a great bit of speed endurance. So here at 300 meters, just about 53 seconds, she continues to lead very early, and she looks in good shape. 4 minutes 11.44 indoors this year, and 4:07.32 outdoors. But right there with her, Blackwood trying to get a personal best if she can chase or stay with Tracey. But as this race goes on and the lead continues to build, it's going to be tough for her to keep up pace with Tracey, who's gone so fast as 4:07.32 this season, and the gap begins to open.
Yes, Adelle Tracey, the defending champion, a 2-time national champion, won this title last year in 4:17.80. Has a lifetime best of 3:58.77. That's the national record, which she set 3 years ago. Seasoned campaigner now.
Yeah, also the mile indoor record holder, Adelle Tracey at 4:30.71. So 2023, a big year for her. That's the year she set that national record as well. Very adept at middle distance running. So she continues to scurry away from Blackwood, who is finding the pace a little tough to handle. But Tracey, very experienced, easy going, easy down the backstretch, on her way to another national title.
Yes, looking very comfortable at the moment, Adelle Tracey. And the schoolgirl Anastasia Blackwood from Sydney Pagan Doing pretty well, holding down second at the moment. Well back there from Wolmer's, we've got Anita Gutsmore. And then at the back of the pack, Jodian Walker. But Adelle Tracey, from the get-go, she has been in control of this event. The women's 1500 meter final. The national senior representative, Adelle Tracey, looking to add another national title to her collection. She takes them down the home stretch one more time. Coming up to the final lap, and she looks very, very good at the moment.
Yeah, looking good, Spencer. 3:25, so won't get that sub 4 minutes clocking. She 3:32 at this point with a little under 350 meters to go. She doesn't have much competition out there, so it's no time for her to push herself down this back stretch. She won't get to that 407 that she's gotten to this season, but another national championship title beckons for the national record holder.
So Adelle Tracey just widening the gap just a bit between herself and Anastasia Blackwood of Sydney Pagan. A little over 150 meters remaining, and Adelle Tracey accelerates just a bit from the 150 meter marker and will work her way off the top bend for the final time. Looking good as far as retaining her title is concerned. Inside the final 50 meters, Adelle Tracey for sure will come home in front, and she secures her third national title over 1500 meters. Very, very good run. 4 minutes 40.02 the flash time. Anastasia Blackwood from Sydney Pagan comes in for the runner-up spot. Officially for Tracey, it's 4 minutes 40.08.
Yeah, congratulates Blackwood at the end. Has run sparingly this season, Tracey. One race indoors back in February, 4:11.44. This her third outdoor 1500 meter race, 4:07.32, 4:07.69. As she winds down, looks at the clock, goes down the back stretch. And as Spencer said, always seems to run with a smile on her face. Welcomes home her remaining competitors. Tracey, magical in her execution. In the home stretch, the legs get tired, the strides get shorter, but none of that matters as she gets another title, another national title. Again, brilliance from her. Was 7th at the World Championship in 2023 in 800 meters.